Happiness Astronomy and Shubh Navabarsha to you all. I'm Tasneer Rahman. I read in class 8, Khatapur Secondary School and also a student of Masterbury English Practice Center. Today I'm honored to be here to say something about Pehla Boishakh, the first day of Bengali New Year. We celebrate this day every year on 14th April with joy and happiness. People wear new clothes, visit fairs, eat traditional food like pandesh and also this type of fruits, etc. And also stand on a fair. There is a fair. It's just not only about fun. It shows our Bengali culture, traditions, and unity. On this day, our homes, schools, streets are decorated beautifully. Let us welcome the day with our open hearts and let us say Esho He Boishakh Esho Esho.